The large wheels make it easy to work on any kind of terrain. Pavement, asphalt, gravel, anything at all. I'm a tall guy, and the fact that the handles are adjustable, well, it's a perfect fit.
And I love this seat. Sometimes when we're at our grandchildren's soccer or ball games, there are no stands. The seat lets Tom sit and be comfortable and preserve his energy.
The brakes make perfect sense. The cables are inside the frame, so they never get caught on anything. I was afraid it was going to be too big for the plane, but it folds so easily. And we sail right through the narrow cruise hallways. We take it everywhere. The doctor's office, out to dinner, the mall, the Rosa shopping trips. The removable carry bag helps me carry all the Rosa splurges. But the best part about the Nitro is it's easy to lift, and it fits nicely right in the trunk of the car. So many people stop me to take a look at the Nitro. One woman even wanted to take it for a test drive.
That's true. Everywhere we go, we get stopped. It's like he's a celebrity. To be perfectly honest, this Nitro has saved our life. We're more active than ever.
I've got to stay active and strong. I got a lot to live for.
I can't thank Drive enough. I have my Tom back.
Who wants ice cream?
Yay!